Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to meditate. In this video, we will offer step-by-step instructions on how to meditate and provide you with tips on how to make meditation part of your daily routine. The first step in meditating is finding a quiet and peaceful location. Choose a place where you feel comfortable and can sit quietly for a few minutes without distractions. The right posture is essential for a successful meditation session. Sit cross-legged on a cushion with your back straight and your hands resting on your knees. You can also sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground and your back straight. Now, it's time to focus on the breath. Close your eyes and take deep breaths, focusing your attention on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Meditation is about clearing your mind from thoughts and distractions. Recognize the thoughts that come up and don't try to push them away. Breathe deeply and let the thoughts go. Stay focused on your breath. When you're ready to end your meditation, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Take deep breaths, open your eyes, and recognize the feeling of calmness that you've achieved. Congratulations, you've completed your first meditation session. Remember to practice regularly and make meditation part of your daily routine. This will bring positive changes into your life and promote overall well-being.